Yes, actually, two things. One, when we have closed the publication, you will receive a copy of the legend appearing at the back of the book, which has your name and website address on it. Within 2 days of receiving this, we require you to sign off to ensure that your details are correct. Again, if we don't hear from you after those 2 days, we will take that as tacit consent that your details are correct and approved. 2. You are highly encouraged to contribute to the goodie bag with your business products or services that you offer. We will only accept special offers exclusively for the Barbecue to Boardroom men, and the purpose is to showcase your business to each other and begin to build a new business network. We won't accept just business cards or flyers. We will kick off the goodie bags already with 2 books to the value of $60, and we urge that you add to the bag. So in the meantime, you can start thinking about what to provide. If you get stuck for ideas, just give us a call and we will offer you some ideas.